Hi everyone, this is a short tour of my workshop at my house. Just wanted to show what I've got going on here, some of my tools. This is my dad's old miter saw, and I've got dust collection here, band saw, scroll saw, some of my hand tools. There's a circular saw, belt sander, planer, jigsaw, orbital sander, boxes of hardware, and then I like working with cigar boxes. There's a real old Electrolux double X vacuum cleaner from the 40s. I'm probably going to make something out of that, like put some wheels on it, make it look like a race car. It's an old box turned into a guitar there. I like to do that. There's more cigar boxes. I think I might have quite enough cigar boxes and more. And there's all my equipment and tools. Here's an old cigar box. It's covered in leather. Don't know what I'm going to do with it. If somebody has a suggestion, let me know. Orange fabric inside, leather on the outside. It's my workbench here. The drill press station, grinder, my dad's old vise, our toolbox. Here's my router station, and then this is the tool I just got recently, the big table saw. Was on Craigslist for $50. Went over and looked at it. And I didn't want to pay $50. The guy that owned it asked me how much I had on me. I said 34, and that was the deal, and he took it. It's a pretty good one. I've been working on it. I need to add a tape measure to the side of it. And other than that, I've made a cross-cut sled for it already. This also is, of course, the patio where we hang out here, enjoy the weather. I like house plants too. I have quite a few of them. I like house plants, and they like me. So thank you all for watching. And this is Bishop. I got Bishop almost a year ago. He was a rescue, and one of the best things that's ever happened to me in my life. Hi, Bishop. Ah. And he loves chasing bugs.